Hello everyone. So today we discuss thermodynamics, one very important topic in thermodynamics, which is Maxwell equations. Sometimes it is very hard to remember these Maxwell equations, but we have tried to do something very simple way to memorize Maxwell equations. It is very important for university exam as well as for net JRF paper also. So let's we talk about Maxwell's equations. We have know that we have four Maxwell's equations, which is very useful in thermodynamics as well as in whole physics. So let's we start. First, we have four relations in thermodynamics, which is remembered by a simple one sentence, which is statistical physics, thermodynamics variables follow guideline, useful hints. There was no meaning of that sentence, but we have to remember it, and we get all the thermodynamical relations or Maxwell relations are remember. So now we try to do statistical physics, thermodynamical variables follow guideline, useful hints. These are arranged in the order S for statistical, P for physics, T for thermodynamical, and V for variables. Now first we going the clockwise directions, S to P, P to T, T to V, then we get backward to F, then G, then U, and then H. Now what is the meaning of F, G, U, H? These are shown as F for Helmholtz energy, G for Gibbs free energy, U for internal energy, and H for enthalpy. Now H is the simple meaning, which is entropy, P is for pressure, T is for temperature, and V is for volume. That's know very well. Now we derive the relations, which is dF is equal to. Now what we have tried to do, we taken the derivatives and other term is multiple of that derivative. So how can we done it? Let's dF is equal to those terms which we take the derivatives are in the same line are taking the derivatives, and in opposite directions they are the multiples. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि जैसे हम df का f के फंक्शन को ड्राइव कर रहे हैं df के फॉर्म में, तो उसको क्या करेंगे कि जो f की लाइन में है उनका डेरिवेटिव्स लिखेंगे और जो उनके अपोजिट है उनको मल्टीपल में लिखेंगे. अब जो हमारे पास ऊपर वाली रो है जिसमें s और p है, अगर वो डेरिवेटिव्स में लिखते हैं तो वो पॉजिटिव लेंगे, और अगर वो बिना डेरिवेटिव्स के लिखते हैं मतलब मल्टीपल में लिखते हैं तो उनको नेगेटिव टर्म लेंगे. इसीलिए इनके ऊपर बार लगाया हुआ है. ठीक है. सो हाउ कैन वी राइट इट? df इज इक्वल टू dv and here we put dt. Now t has opposite direction. What is the variable? That is s, and which is taken as negative. And now dv has the variable p, which is also negative. So now second we find the value of dz. Similarly dt here dp, but dp here is taking positive and opposite to it, it is v, and here put the plus signs. Now dt has minus sign because s is taken as minus. Next relation is dh. What is the h? So we put ds and then dp. Now we take both the plus signs because they are in the derivatives form, so vdp plus tds. Next is du, which is we're taking the internal energy. Okay, so how can we done it? First we write ds, then is dv. Now ds has opposite is t, which is positive, and dv has opposite as p, which is negative. So these are the four Maxwell relations. Now we have tried to do the Maxwell equations. What is it? These are the four are equations. Now we have put someone like S P, then T and V.
आज मेरा हाथ दुखने लग गया।
Sorry, we have write that ST and then P and V. So there was a concept, not a concept, that is a trick, which is if we going from left to right, then it put on the numerator side, and if we going from right to left, then in the denominator form. So now we consider that some other phase. Curless. Here is also curless. Then here is curl T. Here is also curl T. Now in the left we have put these in the S and T in numerator, and in left it is put at denominator. So if we put denominator, we going right to left. So, and in case of PV, we going from in the left hand side, we put we going from right to left, and in right hand side we going from left to right. So Here we write the constants which are the constants are the terms, the derivative of the term in left hand side with respect to v is constant to the right hand side. So here is t, here is v, here is t, here is p, here is s, here is v, here is s, here is p. Now we take the first relation and the fourth relation are getting the positive signs, and the second relation and third relation we have get the negative sign. And this is the all about the Maxwell equations. If we get the questions from the Maxwell relation in even in any exam, we get attempt from these four relations and equations. So that's all.